Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best cooking appliances is probably one of the most versatile and convenient additions to any modern kitchen, offering a range of innovative solutions designed to simplify meal preparation and elevate your culinary experience. From rapid boiling kettles and efficient toasters to compact multi-cookers and stylish blenders, these appliances are engineered to save you time and effort, allowing you to whip up delicious meals with ease, making them an indispensable tool for busy individuals and families alike who value both functionality and sleek design in their home. Number 5. Mini Rice Cooker, Aqua. Meet your new favorite kitchen companion. It's designed for perfect single servings, making fluffy rice and healthy breakfasts a breeze. Its cute, compact design fits anywhere. Planning a trip or need a quick meal solution? This portable cooker is lightweight and incredibly easy to use. It's ideal for preparing meals wherever you go. Never worry about overcooked rice again. With its indicator light and keep warm function, your rice will always be perfectly fluffy and ready when you are. Cleaning up is a snap thanks to the non-stick removable pot. It easily wipes clean, and it even comes with helpful accessories like a rice paddle and measuring cup. Gather your loved ones and enjoy the simple pleasure of home-cooked meals. This appliance brings the joy of cooking and eating together right into your home. What we like? This appliance is designed for single-serve cooking, making it perfect for individuals or those who want precise portion control. If you're living alone or simply want to avoid leftovers, this is an excellent choice. Its compact size also means it won't take up much counter space, ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. What people say? The product is easy to use and clean. It has a sleek design that looks great on the counter. The cooking functions are versatile and produce great results. Number 4. Nostalgia MyMini Waffle Maker Aqua. Craving a quick and healthy meal? This versatile appliance makes perfect waffles, French toast, grilled cheese, and so much more. It's ideal for any meal, from breakfast to dessert. Using it is incredibly simple. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator light to signal it's preheated, and start cooking. You'll have delicious food ready in no time. Its small and lightweight design makes it a perfect addition to any kitchen, dorm room, or even your RV. It fits easily anywhere you need it. Featuring a dual-sided 5-inch cooking surface, it ensures quick and consistent results. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. The cool touch handles allow you to safely open and close the lid while cooking. Plus, the indicator lights let you know exactly when it's ready to go. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes a wonderful present for weddings, birthdays, holidays, or for anyone setting up a new home or dorm. What we like? This appliance offers incredible versatility, allowing you to make a wide range of foods beyond just waffles. If you love experimenting with different breakfast, lunch, or dessert options and appreciate a quick, efficient cooking process, this is for you. Its small footprint makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, or even taking on the go. What people say? The product is very easy to use and clean. It has a sleek design that looks great on the countertop. The cooking functions are versatile and perform well. Number 3. Compact Air Fryer, Aqua. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat. Our innovative technology ensures a perfect golden crunch every time. This compact appliance fits perfectly on any kitchen counter, saving you valuable space. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its removable basket. Cook with confidence thanks to the auto shut-off feature and a cool touch handle. It provides peace of mind for quick and delicious meal preparation. You have complete control over your cooking. Easily adjust the temperature to create your perfect snacks or small meals. Gather your family and enjoy the simple pleasure of cooking and eating together at home. Create delicious memories with ease. What we like? This appliance is all about achieving that perfect crispy texture with significantly less fat. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried foods or want to add a crispy finish to your meals without the guilt, this is your best bet. Its compact design is ideal for those with limited counter space who still want to enjoy air-fried favorites. What people say? The appliance is very easy to use and clean. It has a compact design that fits well on my countertop. The cooking functions are versatile and produce great results. Number 2. Deluxe Egg Bite Maker, Aqua. Make delicious, protein-packed bites in just minutes. Its compact design fits perfectly on your countertop, saving you valuable space. Our non-stick silicone cups make releasing your homemade egg bites a breeze. Enjoy perfect, healthy snacks every single time. The large cup holds about 2 eggs, while the mini cups are perfect for smaller portions. You can customize your bites exactly how you like them. This electric maker is incredibly easy to use. You'll get fluffy, moist breakfast bites in minutes, simplifying your meal prep. Get creative with this versatile maker. It's also great for making desserts, mini cheesecakes, or creamy custards. Gather your family and enjoy the simple pleasure of cooking and eating together at home with Dash. What we like. This appliance is perfect for anyone looking to make healthy, protein-packed snacks quickly and easily. If you're a busy individual or parent who needs fast meal prep solutions for breakfast or snacks, this is a game changer. Its space-saving design ensures it fits neatly into any kitchen, and the non-stick cups make cleanup a breeze. What people say. The appliance is very easy to use and clean. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the countertop. The cooking functions are versatile and allow for a variety of dishes to be prepared. Number 1. Dash Express Mini Donut Maker, Aqua. This donut maker is compact and fits easily on any countertop. It's perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms and is lightweight for easy storage. Its fast heating element ensures evenly baked donuts every time. It's simple to make creative homemade treats for family and friends. This electric maker features a double-sided, non-stick surface. This allows for hassle-free cleanup and easy release of your tasty mini donuts. It creates mini donuts in minutes, so you can enjoy fresh, homemade treats fast. You can make them with minimal effort. Our products invite families to gather together. Enjoy the joy of cooking and eating at home. What we like. This appliance is designed for those who crave homemade donuts without the hassle. If you have a sweet tooth and enjoy making quick, delicious desserts for family or friends, this is an excellent choice. Its non-stick surface and fast heating capabilities mean you can whip up a batch of mini donuts in minutes, perfect for parties or a spontaneous treat. What people say. The product is very easy to use and clean. It has a compact design that saves counter space. The cooking functions are versatile and efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.